Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the packaging I use for shipping items. And as you can see, I've got some bubble packaging in different size, from small to A4. This one is an XX small, and I'm also going to show you some of the things that you can fit into them. This one is a size up from the XX small. This one is an A5. A5 is off of an A4, and the other is an A4. Next, I will show you some of the things that you can fit into these. This one is the XX small, and these small bottles are some of the items that you can fit into this size. You can fit at least 2 to 3 of these small bottles into this one. You can also fit large hoops into this one. This one is the one that I use a lot to ship items. This one is a size up from the smallest, and you can fit 2 large hoops with or without beads into this one. You can basically fit a lot more stuff into this one as well. This one is very good for shipping multiple items. And as you can see from the video, some of the items that I'm able to fit into this one. This one is the A5, and the A5 is off of an A4. With this one, you can add a lot more items into it than the previous one. Also, all of these I ship as large letters. And as a result of that, the shipping cost is a lot cheaper. This one is the A4, and this is the last one. For this one, you can pretty much pack more items into this one than the other 3. So I do hope that this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.